So I hope you guys liked the car, my friend's Datsun. It's for a daily. It's good and it runs strong. I've seen it run in the freeway and it runs pretty good. But I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I have more content coming up. It's just that just with this transition of moving from Spanish to English, it's gonna be I'm gonna have to start from zero. But enough said. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do today with the Datsun. So every Datsun has this little, I don't know, like a nipple, I guess. It's where the old spring sits on top of, or well, it doesn't let the spring to move to any of the sides, so it's like a holding place for the spring. But since I don't have a spring, that just it doesn't let me go all the way down, because it touches that. The controller touches it and it doesn't let it go all the way down. So I'm gonna remove that from each side. So it has one on the left and one on the right. So I'm gonna move or remove both of them, and I'm gonna lower the back 2 more inches, and I'm gonna be cutting the part where I'm gonna install the flares. So I'm gonna be cutting up to here, all this edge right here. I'm gonna be cutting that, and besides, it's fucking fucked up. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I'm gonna be cutting all this, and that's where the flare is gonna be at. So I'm gonna be lowering it 2 more inches. And I'm gonna do that the same with the front. I'm gonna cut like 3 inches, and I'm gonna be putting the third bolt and nut right there of the struts. Oh, and I also have the new, well, not new, but used headers or exhaust system, all the way front and back, but it's better than the one I have right now, because the one that I have right now has like little pores where the fucking gas goes through, and basically it smells really bad, like gas or fuel, and it fucking stinks. So I'm gonna be replacing that soon, maybe today or tomorrow, because I still need to weld this and that through the whole wall. I need to weld part of it, but I'm gonna be doing that later, not today. Today, just fixing the suspension. What I was thinking is to cut this piece right here all the way around. It's where the replacement tire used to be, but it's just a big chunk, a big hole right there that is just getting, this metal is just getting in the way. So I'm gonna be cutting that all the way around so I can move freely under the car, and I'll show you guys the suspension and all the cross member in a bit. So behind that metal plate, which is just the left lane cross or closed from a sign in the street. What the fuck is that? It had all these right here. Yeah, we're gonna be cutting all these here, right there, the whole edge, all around, and to remove more weight and more clearance under the car, because I was sticking my head the other day, and I cut myself with some of that metal sticking out. So I'm gonna be cutting that, and then I'm gonna go under it and check the suspension. So I finally cut all that out. Big ass chunk of metal, just taking up space. So I'm gonna clean the bottom, sweep the bottom, and those bigger pieces, I'm gonna throw them away in the trash can. And this part right here, I'm gonna bend it this way, so it could be like a little place where this metal plate can stand on. Also right here, just hit it towards this side so that metal plate can stand on something. So this is the type of coilover that I'm running in the back. It's from an R33. I think this is the front, but I'm running in the back because I have two ADCX control arms, and this is not that large, so it's pretty small, which keeps it pretty low, but not low enough. Probably I'll be cutting these springs, or I'll be replacing these springs for a shorter one, like 2.5 inches shorter than this. But I don't know, probably that's gonna be in the future, but as of right now, this is what I'm running. Fucking shit, I think I fucked up. Look how fucking cricket this shit is. I went from good to bad. Cause I was doing that with that one. I wasn't doing it with the wheel cutting. I wasn't doing it with this. I should have, but now looks fucking horrible. It's cool though, cause I'm gonna be putting the flares just like this, so all that is gonna be covered, but it definitely looks fucking ridiculous. Damn, like I said, it's cool though, cause I'm gonna be welding this, so that's not gonna show up. I'm gonna be running wider wheels and smaller tires, but this is as low as I can get them. Probably 1 more inch lower, but I mean 2 inches lowered. But as of right now, this is just as good as I want it. I'm gonna be wasting those tires, then I'm gonna replace them, or I'm selling these wheels though. And this is the other side. It's rubbing right there. I'm gonna be cutting this side too. I almost forgot to show you guys, but this is my fiberglass hood. It's so fucking light, like I don't know, 10 pounds probably. And my DATSUN small backpack, or I don't know how you call these. But yeah guys, I'm gonna be cleaning up this right now because I need to go out, go spend time with my kids. So I'm gonna clean all this trash and the metal, and I'm gonna be putting the fiberglass and to test fit it. Then I'm gonna go shower and go out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe.